In the world, we are 7 billion people, all different from one another, but we all have something in common: the love for good music. Whether if it's rock, salsa, pop, samba, and cumbia. Cumbia? Does it really matter? Out of all the types of music, one kind has brought everyone together from the very beginning, and it's communications music. And that's exactly what we do. We make that kind of music that gets stuck in your head, the one you can't stop humming on the bus, and you start whistling it. And right away, there will always be somebody else that will be doing it besides you. When it's done, it's really done. That's how we work. That's how TDL is. We are the Fantastic Four, few in number but huge in approach. This journey begins in the southeast of America, Argentina, with another creative group in our next door neighbor, Brazil. In our work experience, we know what's the best option for your brand is, because we are innovative people working for others who are equally creative. That's why we don't waste the precious time of our potential clients, showing them 10 possible final drafts. We present 2, and only 2 spectacular results that fit one better than the other. The success of TDL is very simple. We provide original and outstanding products. The clients receive a TDL experience with majestic and unique results. We wanted to experience new ways of visual communications. That's why we started to work in association with different comic geniuses. We bring to you a TDL experience. How It Sounds by TDL. It is awesome. It's an awesome new app that will be launched in different Argentinian and Brazil advertising magazines like AD Latina and IPC. Our goal is to reach our main clients, producers, directors, and creatives. The app works by turning static sound into music, using cartoonists and new directors as its protagonists. In the magazine, you will find a series of comic strips with a code which, upon being read by smartphone or a camera, will take you to the web interface. There you will have the opportunity to choose the sound that best accommodates the cartoon and to unlock its animation. Ahí tienes tu trompada de loco.